What's up, dev heads? Welcome back to the live stream. Stream number 4. Today I'm going to be continuing working on DevGames3085. I managed to progress on the level designing using CD Builder PCG. In a few minutes I will be showing my update. In a few minutes I will be showing my update. In a few minutes I will be showing my update. In a few minutes I will be showing my update. Sorry for the feedback. I was just testing my audio. I could hear you clickety clackling. Sorry for the clicking sound, guys. I got a gamer next to me. They're playing Marvel Rivals. They're sweating. You should share your stream. Today I'll probably tackle some replication issues I spotted before. How's everyone doing tonight? Alright, so currently I'm using this PCG CD Builder plugin. I finally got the hang of it. Things are looking pretty spot on. Only thing I need to work on now is the flooring. But I'm pretty sure I just gotta adjust the size of each building. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how things are coming out. Everything's looking pretty epic. Okay. think today I'm gonna start working on the gun socket and making the guns work
rigid and
better than it already is. Let's go to the. I am using this the gas example because I really love the animations and the. I like the traversal features that 5.7 has. I believe it started at 5.5, but it's just getting better and better, especially with now the Mover 2.0. It's gonna be epic. Alright, I'm gonna first update Alex so that he can have a weapon socket. So what I'll be doing is clicking on his skeleton mesh and adding that weapon socket if he doesn't have one already. Nope. So we will need a weapon or pistol. A relay pistol, a socket. That's what we need. And we gotta add it to the hand R. What character? The character's the default UEFN mannequin. Which character are you referring to? The orange one or the one I'm currently looking at? There you go. Now we must adjust the orientation. I knew I already had some guns. Let's work with these guns. I think these look a bit futuristic. Yeah, for sure. Start off with the SKMV16.
need help because I'm still like doing my research and stuff like that. Oh, I got my setup. You know what I mean?
Trying to remember how I moved the weapon. I think this has to do with SK. Roller pistol. Yeah, that's okay. So we don't want spawn killing, so I'm gonna make the portal not able to, I'm gonna make it so that it can block bullets. I did make a collision, I think it was a collision response. No, I think I have to make one, but for now I'm using visibility. So what we will do is, instead of overlapping, let's make it block. Let's see if that works. Okay. Shouldn't be shooting through it though. Replication issues.
Multiplayer developers, especially for indie. Let's start with
Yep. Exactly. Trace type channel. Let's do visibility for now. You know what? I'm gonna make a I'm gonna start making a trace channel. Let's call it, should we call it bullet or weapon? This is line trace. Let's call it weapon. All right, new trace channel. Let's call it weapon. And do we want it to be default at block? Let me think. Sure, let's do that. When you make a new trace channel, you must always restart the editor unless they, yeah, as you can see, the new trace won't show up until you restart the editor. Many news fall into this trap. So once you add a new trace channel, simply close your editor and open it up again. Fab New Year sale, awesome. Wait, animations. Sure, why not? Kawaii. You like kawaii, Emily?
Huh?
You like kawaii
Kawaii is just cute.
animations? Huh?
Kawaii is just cute in Japanese.
What does it mean?
Cute?
Cute?
In
Do you-
Japanese.
Look, there's kawaii animations in Unreal Engine.
I'm so
Should I add it in game?
And also this stuff is
Huh? Look at this. Look at it. Did you think that's cute? That's hilarious. What's up, Alpha? I'm streaming here at DevGames3085. You want to share any dev tips?
What? Wait,
You
what?
got any tips on music?
Any tips on music for
Yeah.
what?
For game developing. You're the musician here.
Anything that's not copyrighted.
Excellent. Excellent tips. Put anything. Put music in your game that's not copyrighted. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alpha.
It's
Alpha? What are you now? Star? Star boy? Okay. Alright, now that we got the new trace channel, we can now open up the gas file. And we should now the weapon trace channel should not show up. Upon doing that, the teleporters should now block the bullets.
Oh? Yes, you did. All that were mine. They were all mine.
Okay. So let's put this back to the teleporter. Now let's see what happens when he's outside.
Trying to get a soda? What are you trying to soda?
Alright. We can no longer spawn kill. Perfect. Alright, now let's work on the radio icon so that we can choose a gun once we die and resurrect. So we'll be going here to the plugin files, sandbox. Radio wheel, perfect. Got 8 slots. The first one is active. That's item for sure. The item, we need an icon. Let's see if we have something with a pistol. Could have sworn I had a bunch of icons here. 3D. Here you go. White icons, sure. See if we got any pistols. No? Gun? Okay, this is one. Definitely need to make it bigger. Let's try 64. Mm, 64 by 64, obviously. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so this is why you need to start labeling yourself once you start getting bigger, or else you start forgetting what you did. So be sure to comment. Open selections. Show bubble. Always organize your work, guys. Hey, what's up, Uncle? How you doing today? Hey, that video was pretty crazy. I'm jelly. Were you able to join the Discord server? All right. Hopefully, once I release an update for the game, I see more of you guys in there. But yeah. Have you decided on the game that you're gonna work on? On the first game you're gonna work on? I'm actually kind of excited on your first game. If you need help, let me know. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Are you gonna have them go door to door? I was actually I actually could go viral now that I think about it. Wow.
Oh my god.
Ice versus Karens. Wink, wink. There you go. Ice versus vehicles. Gotta make sure you dodge the vehicles. I gotta stop now before I go ahead of myself. I think I need that. I mean, hey, if you want to test it, you could code pretty fast. Have at it, Hoss. I'm pretty sure a lot of people got a lot of pent out anger, so. Now you're giving me ideas. Yeah. Definitely. I say once you build up to 10K wish list, you have a good chance on Steam. Some people wait to have more, but 10K is a sweet spot. Yeah, for a serious project, 10K for sure. Also, be sure to create your Steam page or Epic Store, whatever you're gonna use for to sell your game as soon as possible. even if you have anything, even if you just have an image of your concept, like the first concept art of your game, I suggest get your Steam page as soon as possible. The sooner the better, and the more, and people just like updates. Yeah, don't be embarrassed to show, even if you have a crappy video or crappy models. Don't be embarrassed of that. Just start on it as soon as you can. That way you could get traction as soon as you start improving your game, you know. It's easy to change colors on a material when you buy assets, for example. Just from the editor, you could go to the Fab store. So if I go to edit, let's see, go to the Windows, Fab. Say I want to get a free material from the Fab store. Pretty sure there's free ones. If I go to price, only show the free ones. There's a lot of free assets as well. So let's see if I could pull it off. I guess we could do this one. Yeah, we could do that one. So let's say I buy it. First, I gotta choose a license, add to my project. You can also change the normals. You can change the. Here, I'll show you real quick. Okay, now that it's added, it's called pack bonus. We'll add a little cube near the spawn point. Yeah, let's do box. So here's the materials that I got for free. We could do this bonus pack and drag it here. Yeah. Do the faces, or you could do the whole thing. As you can see, it has the default material. So what you could do easily is open up the material. It's all it also depends how it's coded. For example, here you have several options. You could get texture here. You could export it and edit it that way. Sometimes you do have some options where you could change the brightness here. See? The vibrance, the hue. Then you save it and it should take effect on the texture, see? So you can see it's more brighter. So you can play with the adjustments here. The hue, the alpha, etc. Sometimes you want to make it darker. You don't want to edit the texture, you can do that too. Save it, go back. As you can see, the texture is changed. You could also export the texture. Let's see. I know it has an option here. Let me just put export. Put it on your desktop. Saves it as a PNG. And then you could just pop it on Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, I have a lot of work saved in the cloud. So let's see. It's good practice for me too. I haven't done it in a while. Not open. What? Apparently I ran out of space. There you go. I gotta check on that C drive. DevGames3085 300. Okay, let's save as PNG. Yeah, let's make a copy of it. So you could you have two options as well. You could re-import it, which makes life easier by going to the texture. There's a re-import option. So let's say you don't want the original anymore. You could just delete this and just hit this re-import option. Okay. Let's make it brighter than it already is. Save it. Boom. There you go. See, it's that easy. It's not important. You can use Paint as long as it opens PNG file. You can use MS Paint for all you care, you know. You can use Canva. What's the free one? GIMP, I guess. So yeah. So this is the material asset. And from here you can also edit the normals, the roughness. You make your own. Well, it's that easy. Here's the textures for the ambient, the normal, the roughness, and the height. But you have to create, you could even create your own from scratch just by clicking here, material. You'll get used to the format. New material. And then here you create your own if you want. You just gotta plug it in, you know.
There's shortcuts, so when you like press B, bump offset A, just hold the button and click, and you just got. It's all about memorizing. Since I don't do much materials, you know, another lazy way is just to copy this and put it on your own note. Put your own notes there, you know. And then you could always swap this out here with something different, or something that you can drop and drag your own PNG files there as well. Substance Painter is a good program for textures too, if you want to create your own. But it's not very important. You don't need Photoshop for this. Where are you from, Uncle? I'm assuming you're in the USA. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm from LA. Everything's pretty crowded here.
Is my watch charging already?
It's charging right now. I don't know.
I'm gonna go like that.
Yeah,
I'll check
it's a
it out.
pretty mixed bag.
Can you charge my tablet right there when you're done?
What tablet? What cord does it use?
The regular phone cord. My phone cord.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can you have that cord?
Oh, or yours now.
Okay.
I'll check.
I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Another little bit.
Well, gotta go, guys. Gotta wake up early tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you later. Feel free to send me any questions. I'll go via Discord if you start working on your ice game. I'll be sure to help you out. Any questions, feel free to ask me. Later, guys.